My mother is a heavy sleeper, and she is looking for a new alarm clock. The digital beep just could not wake her up. That's why I search for the double bell type alarm clock for her. I search in Amazon and I find almost all the double bell alarm clocks look very much the same. It is very hard to find a special one. I remember my mother said the decoration in the room told the personality. So I just want to buy a Me Too alarm clock for her. After searching for quite a bit of time, I suddenly find this stylish alarm clock on the web. This antique alarm clock is fascinating, and I am sure it would add elegance to her room. You know what, my mother just loved it so much, and she said it must be very expensive cause I have not told her it just costs $20 something. Just a little money and I can cheer up my mother so much, so I just make this simple video to share with you. Click the link below to see more details about the clock.